Banks borrow money at 3.5%. They charge you 22. Last year, they made $160 billion in credit card interest alone. That's not an accident. That's a machine. Right now, Americans owe $1.28 trillion on their credit cards. That's a record, the highest in history. 111 million people carrying a balance month to month, and the number is growing. Here's how the math works. Your bank borrows money from the Federal Reserve at 3.5%. It lends that same money back to you at 22.3%. 19 percentage points of pure margin. JPMorgan Chase made $58 billion in net income last year. American Express, $10 billion, up 21%. They didn't win because the economy was good. They won because you couldn't pay off your balance. $5,000 on a card at 28%. You pay only the minimum every month. 20 years later, you've paid $15,500. You borrowed $5,000. You paid back $15,500. The bank designed it that way. There was supposed to be a watchdog. The CFPB tried to cap late fees at $8. It would have saved Americans $10 billion a year. Banks sued. A judge blocked it. Then in 2025, the administration gutted the CFPB entirely. The late fee cap was killed with the agency's own signature. Late fees went back to $40. Banks kept their record profits. $1.28 trillion. $160 billion in interest in a single year. A watchdog defunded by the administration the banks funded. This is not a coincidence. This is a paper trail.